Hello, good morning. Today we are having Ranjit with us.
Yeah.
So, hello, Ranjit, welcome.
Yeah, that's-
So, so Ranjit, tell me, what is your role in your company or in this project?
yeah, actually, see, I joined DED
Okay.
in 2016.
Hmm.
After I worked planning in site.
Okay.
Present I am working in planning engineer.
Okay. That's
Currently I am
that's
taking care
nice.
of client billing.
Okay. Currently, you are taking care of client billing.
Yes,
Okay. So you are involved with clients a lot.
yes.
Okay. That's great to know. And so Ranjit, let's not get into professional life too much, as we all know that no one is comfortable talking about their professional life. So tell me, what do you think about Vedyapalam Guest House and its people?
Yeah, first when I came Nellore, I went Vedyapalam Guest House only.
Okay.
Okay. That's actually I stayed more than 2.5 years in the same guest house only.
Okay.
I met a lot of people. I came and went, but I am staying 2.5 years that guest house only.
Hmm.
But very nice place. That everything food facilities, other than the people's, all facilities are there. That nice place only. Nearly one school also was there. It's good.
Yes, school.
School was there.
Okay. Nice. So what you are thinking? You are planning to send your future children there? Huh?
No. I'll settle my hometown only, Salem only. I never think other cities and other states.
Settle with your 4 wives and 10 children? Huh?
Who knows? Future
Who
maybe
knows,
it
yes.
will happen.
So you don't deny that you will marry 4 women?
No, nothing. I will marry one girl only, that's it.
Okay.
But
yes.
other people are thinking some ways. I won't bother.
Other people like.
Other people means like my friends are thinking, they'll think a lot.
Yes, you know, no, there won't be any smoke without any fire. So there are some issues your friends might be
Friends
having.
means whenever the friends means they'll make fun only. They'll tell funly. That's it. Don't
Okay.
take serious.
Okay.
Yeah.
So tell me, what was your funniest moment in Vedyapalam Guest House?
Yeah. Lot of things happened. Many things happened. Few things I will tell.
Okay.
In my room, 5 people are stayed.
Okay.
Me,
Hmm.
my close friends Agya
Hmm.
and Siva,
Hmm.
Managar, and Jarvis.
Hmm.
Last came one person, very legend person,
Hmm. Who?
who is means very critical person also.
Critical.
Others
Okay.
that fun. Anytime mostly fun only will be there in that guest house. Sometimes we are playing the games also, carom. We went outside cinemas.
Hmm.
Also happened. And, means one time happened very fun and
Some tragic.
yes, like this. Means one cook they fighted. Okay, night time 12 o'clock.
Okay.
Fight and 2 cook are fighted.
Okay.
One cook they fell down and one cook they went away from our guest house.
Okay.
They in my that road they'll stop bus and they'll slept there. The bus also they stopped. The camera also will be there.
Oh.
Yeah, very that moment very difficult and the fun also after.
Fun also.
Uh,
Okay, that's great to know. Okay, then tell me, what was your like somewhat sad moment? Sad moment or somewhat depressing moment?
Sad moment means nothing. My friends are came and they went. Actually, they resigned somewhere. They went other sites like this only. That sad moment.
Sad
Other
moment,
than
okay.
nothing.
Okay. Anything you regret doing in that guest house that you have done and you regret a lot?
Nothing.
Like
Like
somewhat
that.
shouting on anyone or fighting with someone, or just out of anger or out of work pressure?
Maybe it will happen. I don't know. I remember. I didn't remember anything.
Okay, you don't remember vividly. Okay. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll give you some names. Okay, you have to describe them.
Okay.
First name, Shiva.
Yeah, Shiva is very nice person. But mostly he won't talk anything.
Okay. He'll not tell his problems.
Yes, this is the problems.
Okay, he'll keep it to himself.
Yes.
Okay. Then anything you'd like to change about Shiva, like the way he does things?
Now he don't want any changes. Already he changed everything. Okay.
Okay.
Now what we do is there, he'll stay means very nice and good.
Okay. Then
After why he changed means one girl was came in life.
oh, in the life of Shiva. Okay.
Yes.
One girl or many girls?
First one girl came. After that she came na. After that so many girls are came.
Okay.
Okay. After that he changed a lot. Before he is like what we can tell you.
Like a kid.
Yeah, like a kid.
Yeah. Then second name, Dinesh.
Yeah, Dinesh is nice person. And he also mostly he won't talk, but he only will talk, but good things only he'll tell.
Good thing only. Yes.
It's a nice person.
Then third name, our Jarvisana.
Yeah, he is my legend. He's more close to me, and both we are sleeping in same bed only. In small bed. In last 1 year, it's nice person.
Then
It's
next,
like brother, like Anna.
Anthony.
Yeah, Anthony also very nice person, good person. He also very emotional person. First thing, he is very emotional person. That's it.
Okay.
It's nice person.
Anthony. Then Appal Raju,
Yeah, Appal Raji is my close friend.
close friend.
Whenever he'll tag me, he'll tease only.
It is only okay.
Yes. He'll tell some other name and he itself making joke and he itself laugh.
Okay. Then any other your, as you told, your one of your friend was there, Manohar.
Yeah.
What about him?
Yeah, he is very nice person and he is very frank person. He'll tell straightforward.
Okay. Then
Sometimes in side time both we are some conversation happened, but that and all we are not keeping anything. Both of us.
okay. Then our Apurva.
Yeah, Apura is very in north side. First he only I knows north
Okay.
people. And
Okay.
he is very talented people and a very nice person. Nice heart also. He's a good person.
Apurva. Okay. Then Ahia.
Yeah, he is very close friend. After I came here, I met him only first. He's helped a lot, helping person, and he will tell some good things, suggestions like this.
Okay. Then Suman.
Yes, one that much not interact, but he is okay. He is good
Okay.
person.
Okay. Like you are not that much close.
Yes.
Manish.
Yeah, he's a legend. He's legend. He's a very nice person, good person, and he mostly don't talk, but we are talking means he will talk more.
Okay. Let's as you know, our other guest house friends also were there.
Yes.
So let me ask you about Nagendra.
And Nagendrana is close to my like brother. Till he is me only. We are both only are going and coming to office, roaming somewhere. I want to tell this year at least he will get married means I will happy.
Marry and have kids. Yes.
Yes.
And then another person, like now he's not with us. I mean, he's not in this project anymore. Jishnu.
Yeah, Vishnu is very talented and brilliant person. He will teach more and some did mistake means he will tell.
He'll rectify,
correct things. He will correct things. He will tell. Sometimes I also angry with him. That and all that situation I will.
That and all work related issues.
Angry. But I felt a lot. Like, after this.
Okay, then at last, Adarsh.
Yeah, others is legend. We can't tell about him. He's very nice person and he's involved other person also. Person means anyone sad means he will involved. What is your problem? You tell like this. He's voluntarily involved and he will tell some suggestions. That's a good thing. He only more tease on me. Some stories he itself make and
Yes,
he'll
some
make
stories
fun.
I planted. Yes, that I accept. Some stories I planted about
He'll
you.
make and he'll tell fun. He's a fun person, like nice person.
Okay, then let's make this interview somewhat controversial. Okay. There was a video clip of you. I'll not tell the name of you were talking to someone, but it was extremely controversial, and it was like it was a kind of sting operation done by Mr. Appal Raju. What are your thoughts on that?
No, not that one. Not Appal Raju actually. The photo clip.
Not photo, audio clip.
Audio clip. Yes. That's one
That
nice
you were
moment.
talking about some technology and all that only.
Yeah, that's one actually nice moment. Nice moment I felt.
Yes. Okay, then.
That time not there. After some few days, I felt a very nice moment. Like that I felt.
Okay, then there was somewhat tense moment between you and Appal Raju during IPL final. Then
Yeah,
where
it
that when
happened
somewhat
actually,
emotions
yeah.
you
Yeah,
like
he supported my
CSK. Yes.
CSK. He supported other team. Here both we are sitting in same place. Here watching cricket means it will happen. You will tell some other things. I will tell some other things. That all just the other time it will happen. But we are not taking in mind.
Yeah.
And all.
So like as you know, every year Appal Raju will talk a lot about IPL and his favorite team
Yeah,
RCB.
he's,
Any message you want to give it to him regarding RCB?
Means yeah, I want tell not only him, I want tell RCB fans overall.
Okay.
I will tell.
Yes, please.
Yes, means they actually no one present no one hate the RCB fans. Why
Okay.
means every IPL they will lose only. Every IPL they will get hope on RCB team. But
Okay.
every IPL they will lose only.
Yes.
Okay. Now until next year or this year, 2021, 2022, they will win means every IPL fan they will happy only. Like CSK fans, like Mumbai fans, everyone will laugh. No one will hate.
Yes, but I've come to know from several persons that Appal Raju is a different breed.
Yeah,
Like
different
his
breed
team is
means,
not even in
first of
IPL
all,
fund.
he
Yes,
is fan of Virat Kohli.
he's fan of Virat Kohli.
Virat
Okay.
Kohli. That's what he will support more RCB.
Okay.
Other than nothing. He came to CSK or he went to Mumbai means they will support Mumbai or CSK like this.
So basically, you are telling he's a plastic fan.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yes, he's a plastic
Yeah.
fan. Yes, he looks like plastic also.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll ask you some to some characteristics. You have to tell which person. Okay. Most funniest person in Nellore.
Most funniest person. See, most funniest person also others only. Most most angry person also others only. I felt like sometimes. Sometimes he will freely will talk and funny will talk. Sometimes he will get some other tension. That time you won't speak. You won't tell anything. Like this.
Okay, then most silent person. Most silent.
Most silent person. Yeah. Most silent person Shiva.
Most silent person Shiva.
Silent person means with our people they will silent. That Shiva's people they will.
Understood. I understood what you
like
what
this,
you mean.
Yeah.
Most intelligent person.
Most intelligent person. Yeah. Others also most intelligent person.
Then, according to you, most foolish person. Just in a funny way.
Foolish person me only.
No, other than you. You're not. You can't. You're not allowed.
Doesn't mean nothing. Everyone is.
No. You can tell freely.
No. Foolish person.
Okay, I'll give you a choice. Who is more foolish? I'll give you a choice.
Fine.
Appal Raju or Adarsh? Who is more foolish among these two?
See, both are foolish others. Okay, not
They're fooling others.
fooling others. Not for
Okay, yeah.
others and Abu.
They're like in some months ago, one controversy happened where you and Shiva were involved. Okay, like now I don't want to get into that controversy. It's very very controversial. Okay, both of you lied, but now I want honest answer. Who was the bigger criminal that day, you or Shiva?
See, both are not criminal. Okay, just we went. I met my clients.
Your clients.
My clients. He also came some other work. He both are met. That's it. We are not. Both are not criminal and all.
Okay.
But the other people they are making some funds. That's it.
Okay. So okay, we'll close the interview here.
Okay.
It's very nice to talk to you. Okay. Thanks.
Thank
And
you.
all the best for your future.
Okay.
Thanks, Ranjit.
Thank you.